Welcome to this tutorial on integrating FS PBX with Ringotel mobile apps using the Ringotel API. Starting with FS PBX version 0.921, full support for Ringotel apps is available. Let's walk through the steps to get started. To access Ringotel settings, navigate to the Advanced menu dropdown and select Ringotel App Settings. If the option is missing, you can manually add /apps to the URL in your address bar, like this. To make access easier in the future, we recommend updating your menu to include this link. Here, you'll see a list of existing tenants and their respective organization statuses in Ringotel. If the status shows inactive, it means the tenant hasn't been created in Ringotel yet or hasn't been linked to an existing organization. Before activating a tenant, we need to configure the API token for Ringotel. At the top of the Ringotel App Settings page, click on the API token button. Enter your Ringotel API token here. This token connects FS PBX to your Ringotel account and ensures secure communication. After saving, a confirmation message will appear. Now FS PBX is ready to communicate with the Ringotel API. We can now proceed with activating the Breeze tenant. This tenant status is currently inactive. A pop-up will display two choices: connect to an existing Ringotel organization or create a new one. Select Connect to an existing organization if you have a pre-existing tenant in Ringotel and wish to manage it through FS PBX. Since I am activating a new tenant for Ringotel apps, I'll choose Create New Organization. A new pop-up will display the suggested organization name and domain, along with your default preferred region and package. You can modify these defaults in the Mobile Apps category under Default Settings. I will keep the defaults unchanged and click Next. A confirmation message appears, indicating that the organization in Ringotel was created successfully, and I'm taken to the Connections tab. To start, click the Add New Connection button. A pop-up window will show the default connection settings, which include fields for the server address, SIP transport, and codec configuration. These fields are pre-filled according to the default configuration. You can either alter these settings here or change the default values in the Default Settings section found under Mobile Apps. In the Features tab, you can enable or disable various advanced Ringotel features, such as call recording and the ability for users to modify their statuses. The third tab, PBX Features, offers options for integrating with FS PBX. Here you can set feature codes for options like voicemail, do not disturb, and call forwarding. Once you've reviewed and confirmed the settings, click Save. A confirmation message will appear, and the connection will be added to the table. Click Finish to complete this step. The status of the Breeze tenant now shows activated. I'll click Edit to demonstrate that these settings can be modified anytime if needed. Now, let's create a mobile user for Michael's extension. I'll click the Mobile App Settings button next to his name. This pop-up allows me to create a Ringtel-activated user or a user with no SIP credentials. I'll keep it as an activated user and click Advanced to show the option to select a different connection if desired. Since I only have one connection, I'll click Create User. When the user is created successfully, a confirmation message appears. If the user has an email on file, FS PBX will send them login information. For consistency, we recommend disabling the emailing option on the Ringotel portal. That concludes this tutorial on integrating FS PBX with Ringotel mobile apps. We hope you enjoy the seamless integration and give it a try. Thank you for watching.